got there?
Dragonoid.
Is that a new Monster Jam set?
Yeah.
What? Do you know what it's called?
Yeah.
What?
The jump thing.
The jump thing? It's called Dragonoid Stunt Dial Set.
Oh. Ready to play fit.
Hi. Are you gonna be in the video? Is that the one it comes with?
Yeah.
What's his name?
Bakugan Dragonoid.
Oh, you know his full name?
Yeah.
Bakugan Dragonoid? Bakugan? I
Yeah.
don't even know how to say that, but you say it better than me. All right, let's see what we set up over here. Are you gonna be the judge? Okay. We're gonna put a monster truck in here. They have to do each dial. This is the jump dial. This is the backflip dial. This one is the barrel roll dial. And this one, it says, is the front flip dial. So there's 4 dials. Oh!
Let's play, Dad.
All right, buddy, let's go. All right, ready? Here it goes. Ready? Oh!
Yeah.
Oh, that was pretty good. Oh, he landed it, but he missed the ramp.
I'll do it again.
Oh, he landed on top of lightning. Oh, Dragon went 4 and missed the ramp and landed it. All right. Oh, he didn't land it, but that was some air. Oh, he landed on top of cars. Come on. Oh, he hit the ramp. Oh, okay. Do one more. They get 3 each. Oh, okay. And hit it hard. Oh! He hit the... Too far. Oh, hit the ramp and landed. You're gonna do them? Okay, go. Oh, hit the ramp and landed again. You're not hitting it hard enough. Hit the back. Try again. I'm gonna do this one. Ready? Wait.
No, that one's mine.
Go. Oh, hit the ramp. Try Maggie. All right, Maggie, you ready? Oh, hit the ramp.
Pirate.
Your pirate already went. Ready? Here you go.
What these?
Oh, hit the landed. I'm gonna give that to him, even though he hit Maggie at the end.
I went to it. Sorry.
Oh, didn't land it. Watch out, Dirt Squad. Oh, hit the ramp and landed.
He went into the cartoons.
That's a 3-pointer.
Welcome to Dragonoid Stunt Challenge.
We're gonna have Gravedigger versus El Toro Loco versus Dragonoid. Here's the rules. When you jump off the dial, if you land on the ramp and you land your trick, you get 3 points. If you jump the dial and you miss the ramp and you still land it, you get 2 points. If you jump the dial and you hit the ramp and don't land it, you get 1 point. Anything else is 0 points. First up is the jump dial. First up is Gravedigger. Look at him hit the ramp. Does not land it, but at least he gets that 1 point for hitting the landing. Next up is El Toro Loco. Gets a big air, hits the ramp, also lands on his top side and does not land it, so that's good for 1 point. Next up is Dragon. Dragon gets major air, hits the ramp, bounces off course boundary and hits it for a landing. That's 3 points.
He has a scoreboard.
Dragonoid has,
3.
Gravedigger has,
1.
and El Toro Loco has.
1. Next up is the backflip dial.
First up is Gravedigger. Almost gets a full rotation on the backflip. Hits the ramp, goes out of camera. Let's check the landing cam. He sticks the landing. That's a good for 3 points. El Toro Loco's next. Comes up a little short. Hits the ground, but also sticks the landing, so that's good for 2 points. If he would have hit the ramp first, he could have got 3 points. Next up is Dragon. Dragonoid gets major air, hits the ground first, then the ramp, then sticks the landing. Unfortunately, he got to hit the ramp first, so that's good for 2 points. Here's the scoreboard. 3 plus 2 equals
5,
for Dragonoid. 1 plus 3 equals
4,
for Gravedigger, and 1 plus 2 for El Toro Loco equals
3.
Alright, next up is the barrel roll dial. Gravedigger gets major air, clears the ramp, and hits a great landing, but unfortunately that's only good for 2 points for missing the ramp. El Toro Loco also gets major air, kind of does the same thing, sticks the landing thanks to the barrier, and that's good for 2 points. Next up is Dragon. Oh, that's a textbook landing. Gets perfect air, hits the ramp, sticks the landing. That's good for 3 points. Let's check the scoreboard. 5 plus 3 equals
8,
for Dragonoid. 4 plus 2 equals
6,
for Gravedigger, and 3 plus 2 equals
5.
for El Toro Loco. Next is the front flip dial. I think this is the last round. First up is the Gravedigger. Hits the ramp, sticks a wheelie landing. We count that as a landing, so that's going to be good for 3 points. That's a stylish landing there. Next up is El Toro Loco. He gets major air, hits the ramp. Unfortunately, was not able to stick the landing. Ends up on his roof. He hit the ramp though, so we're going to give him 1 point for that. Last up is Dragonoid. Gets major air, clears the jump, gets a little too high. Disqualified on that one, goes outside of the course, does not land it, so that's only good for 0 points. Check the scoreboard. 6 plus 3 equals
9,
for Gravedigger. 8 plus 0 equals
8,
for Dragonoid, and El Toro Loco. 5 plus 1 equals
6.
6. So the winner is
Gravedigger.
Hey kids and parents, if you would like to purchase any of the products in today's videos, you can go to forgebuddies.com. Some of the links will be affiliate links to other websites where we get a commission, and some of the links will be to products that we make in-house. We appreciate your support and have a great, wonderful day.
Follow, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.